Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to do another video unboxing, and this time it's gonna be Giyu Tomioka from the Demon Slayer. So this is the very first time that we're going to unbox a Nendoroid from a different anime series. So I'm pretty excited to unbox Giyu Tomioka. Giyu Tomioka is part of the Demon Slayer Corps, and he is the Water Hashira who uses water breathing technique. And now let's go ahead and start the unboxing. So he is the 1408 product number for the Nendoroid series. Okay, let us check the box. Okay. So before we open the box, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell button below to be updated on my new videos. So now let us see what is inside Giyu Tomioka's box. Okay, so the box. So the first one we have the manual. It's kinda long. So okay. This is the main figure. So there's 2 layers of blisters for Giyu Tomioka. There's also a note here. Sheet parts inserted behind inner paper. So let's check. Oh. This is interesting. Okay. So this is probably the background, like when he's doing his water feeding technique. So let's check it later. First, let us see what's inside the blisters for Giyu Tomioka. So let us check the main figure first. So as always, the main figure is protected with this plastic. Okay, the body and the leg. I really like the details with this Nendoroid. the faceplate. So he got two. This one is the angry faceplate. And this one is, I think this is his surprise expression. Extra lower body part. So cute. And the awesome sword. We have the sword as well. So let's check the second layer for the distance. Oh. Okay, so for second blisters, we have this water effect for the sword when he does his water breathing technique, and an extra arm. We also have here the base with the support and the extra joint. So, and from earlier, these two background, we have two background effects. So let us open it. So much tape in it. Okay, there. The quality is so nice. So now let us do some poses from Giyu Tomioka's Nendoroid. So let us try the faceplate and see how it looks like. So this is the angry face. And this is the other one. But we need to this effect. So let's see what it is. We're going to and here we go. So let us check the other poses.